about me being uncomfortable wherever I am. You ain't never gotta worry about me. You ain't never gotta worry about me. You ain't never gotta worry about me being uncomfortable with who I am.
Quick question, right? Y'all remember when I had the Christmas lights up behind me, right? Should I bring that back? I was thinking, I still got it, but I don't know if I should bring it back though. I don't know. No. What do y'all think? Let me know that in the comment section below. Sup? Here we go with these creepy, sus, weird mother cluckers in this video. So, I kind of miss the Christmas lights. I kind of miss them.
My 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras.
Right.
A cry for help.
My ass.
This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera.
Outside doing laundry? What does that sound? Sus. You didn't think nothing was weird about that?
The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker.
And she pauses.
In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her.
Jesus.
Now, I boosted the audio on this clip, and, well, just take a listen.
You got the wrong one today. Why she pausing like a dumbass? What is she doing? What are you doing? You're gonna get clucked up. Watch.
Some strange voice in the wall seems to be crying out for help. The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
I mean, apparently she wasn't that freaked out. She wasn't that scared because she paused there for like at least a good 15, 20 seconds, right? Gotta say, if you was that scared, if you was that creeped out, you would not be pausing whatsoever, and you would have hauled ass like a mother clucker. But you didn't. Which makes me think you wasn't really scared. Which makes me think you were in cahoots. A little bit.
And looking around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything.
Who was that?
So I went back to my Ring video to make sure it was was hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something like that.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there.
Yeah, alright.
So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help?
You got it. You got it.
Let me know what you think down in the comments.
I think she was on some bullshit.
No treat. The thought of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can. But this next video didn't take place on Halloween. It happened in the middle of a sweltering summer day in August in San Antonio, Texas.
Sus! Wow, in broad daylight. Are you serious right now, bruh? You got mother cluckers just driving past nonchalantly. I know they see this mother clucker, right? That's crazy, bruh. In broad daylight, right? Even if that is your house or was your house, even if, I'm still like, in broad daylight, not a cloud in sight, sunny as hell, blue skies. Where is that? It's in Texas. Okay, that's what y'all doing in Texas. I know I got some fans in Texas. That's what y'all be doing. I'm not going to Texas. Nope. Wow. God damn. My ass.
Check that cheese. Check that cheese. Now I see it.
What the hell? What?
The bizarre masked man says, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state. Now, one has to wonder if the man had been having some special treats of his own. Surprise visit.
Some clock pills.
On a warm, sunny day in May, Gerald Haywood was visiting a friend's home in Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip.
You sure?
But I'll explain that later.
Wow, sus. That was sus.
Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. Get that to that face. Get that face.
Wow! Wow!
No, I'm not.
Please.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch light.
Damn.
When Gerald opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right eye.
Wow.
Luckily, the snake is not venomous, and the bite above his eye isn't deep. Gerald was rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of Band-Aids and some light antibiotics. And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious. So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
Ow! That's what you get. Ugly.
Ghost caught on doorbell.
Wow!
YouTube user LexusJV claims that he caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera. At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion.
Yeah,
When
alright.
he first reviewed the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a spider web moving in the wind.
Really?
But then, when he looked closer, he noticed this. It looks almost as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside.
Hell no.
The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off. And it didn't turn back on again for the rest of the night. So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light? In another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance Gaming posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
That's a ghost. That's definitely a ghost. That's your place is haunted. That whole neighborhood is haunted and is clocked. What the hell is that? That is so a ghost. If that's not a ghost, that's a ghost. You probably, you definitely live in a clocked neighborhood.
We see what looks like a woman dressed all in white who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house. And then she just sort of walks off into...
She just got some ghost dick. Is that a thing? I don't know. She probably got some ghost dick so good. can't even walk right. You know, she just got pounded so good. Cause I saw her stumble a little, but she's talking about something. Oh, she can't really. You know, just saying. You know,
Art. Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white. But it could also simply just be a prank. You decide.
Either way, she got some
Late
dick.
one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home.
No, she didn't.
Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside and sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house.
Sus.
She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without the lights on and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera, her blood runs cold.
No, you got it. You got it. Nope. Go home. Oh, no, you didn't. That was so sus.
It looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie, and the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handle, and he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Kathleen contacted the police, but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found.
I thought that was his real face.
It's not all bad.
Yes,
After
the
all
hell it
weird and
is.
scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things and the absolute worst of human nature.
I forgot to turn
I
off.
wanted to include one last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity. Katie Eagermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse.
Hey, what?
Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera.
Was that a good Samaritan? Okay. It does my heart justice. Now get the hell off my property.
Found her wallet, had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right to her door.
Okay, hurry up.
Tries to put it in her mailbox, but it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat.
Just drop it off and get off.
Katie says that all of her credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to submit or suggest a video, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com. And please follow me on Twitter at nukestop5 for videos and other things. I don't know. Something.
What? Hey, you know what I was thinking about, like, throughout this whole, like, reaction? It would be nice if, like, you could have, like, an Adidas force field or Adidas shield around your house, right? And, like, that radius would be what? I don't know, probably like a couple of feet from your property, off your property, right? But that Adidas force field, that Adidas shield, would prevent anybody, anyone, and or anything that has some clout intentions. That means harm. You know, that means they about to do something to you, no condom necessary. It would repel, I think I'm saying that right. I don't really know, but it sounds right. It would deflect, reflect, basically not allow those people that I just named you know, with the cluck intentions, with the bad intentions, with the sus intentions, with the weird intentions, right? To not step foot onto your property. But anybody or anything or anyone that doesn't have no cluck intentions, that doesn't have no sus intentions, weird intentions, all of the above, is welcome to come in. Condom necessary. Well, what? I mean, it's welcome to come in, right? But yeah, I think that would be dope. I really don't know how they would go about that. It's like the you ever seen like the Simpsons movie? And they had like the dome around their city. Dome depot. Yeah, like something like that, but you can't really see like the dome. So like, yeah, that would be nice. That would be really nice. Because, you know, and one video that really stuck out to me was the trick or treat dude, where he had a clown mask on, and he went up to somebody's house in broad daylight. That's crazy. That wow. Nobody thought when seeing that guy. Nobody thought it was weird. Nobody thought it was sus. Like, are you dead ass with? Are you dead ass? You dead ass. You dead ass. Like, nobody thought it was just something off about that. And Halloween was months away. Jesus. But I was in Texas, so I'm gonna try my best to stay away from Texas. If I have, well, I know I have fans in Texas, but I don't know if I'm going. I really don't know if I'm gonna go to Texas because of that right there. Like, if that's what y'all be doing in Texas, y'all go ahead and keep that. Keep it cool, keep it classy, and I love you. Stay happy, my family.